The exoplanet K2-18b presents compelling evidence that suggests it may be habitable, even though it's huge compared to our Earth. You can imagine the gravity. The exoplanet K2-18b appears to harbor life. Initial indications of life on this distant planet emerged in 2019 when NASA laboratories detected potential signs of water vapor in K2-18b's atmosphere. And since then, the study has become a top priority for astronomers. The recent discovery of methane and carbon dioxide molecules reinforces the belief that the distant planet, which orbits a red dwarf star 120 light years from our Earth, may host some form of life and is potentially habitable. Astronomers, astrology enthusiasts may find it interesting that K2-18b is located in the constellation of Leo. This planet is 8.6 times the volume of Earth and orbits at a distance from its sun that allows for the possibility of hosting life forms. The presence of dimethyl sulfide, DMS, molecules, also found in Earth's atmosphere and produced by oceanic phytoplankton, suggests a similarity with our planet's atmosphere. K2-18b is classified as sub-Neptune, a type of planet smaller than Neptune but larger than Earth, which is not found in our solar system. Their characteristics are diverse and not well understood. They could be super-Earths, mini-Neptunes, with hydrogen atmospheres and ice mantles, or even more exotic types like Oceanians with vast oceans, habitable surfaces, and extensive hydrogen atmospheres. These planets are intriguing to scientists because their exact nature is unknown, and some, such as ocean planets, might even support life. The role of DMS as a potential indicator of oceanic life on Earth necessitates further investigation on K2-18b to confirm its origins and implications for life. The James Webb Space Telescope is expected to shed more light on many of these mysteries, including the confirmation of DMS and its association with life. If there is life in K2-18b, it's expected that it will most likely be microbial. Now, research on K2-18b. The head of research on K2-18b is astrophysicist at University of Cambridge, Dr. Niku Madhusudan. He has called the planet the globe world, which is a relatively new term he coined for a rocky planet with an atmosphere rich in hydrogen and oceans of water. If we detect DMS in K2-18b, that basically puts it on top of possible signs of habitability, Dr. Madhusudan told The Times. In 2023, James Webb Telescope detected carbon dioxide and methane in its atmosphere, as well as ammonia deficiency. Dr. Madhusudan called this moment very important because it supports the theory that there is an ocean of water beneath an atmosphere rich in hydrogen. Webb's initial observations provided a possible detection of a molecule called dimethyl sulfide DMS, which on Earth is produced only by life. Most of the DMS in Earth's atmosphere is emitted by phytoplankton in marine environments, suggesting a similar life form on this distant planet. In fact, scientists have been unable to think of any physical, geological, or chemical process that could create DMS without living organisms. Dr. Madhusudan said the finding came as a shock to them, but because these were initial observations, he could only say with 50% certainty that there is DMS in K2-18b. It was a real shock. I had sleepless nights for a week, he said. That week I didn't even find the courage to announce it to my own team, he said. James Webb's new observations? The new observations from James Webb expected to provide a definitive answer, although the expert will have to spend months studying the data to get it. NASA's $10 billion space telescope is able to analyze the chemical composition of a distant planet by recording light from its host star after passing through the planet's atmosphere on its way to Earth. The atmosphere's gases absorb some of the stellar light, but each leaves telltale signatures in the light spectrum which astronomers can then unravel. Although the water worlds are predicted to be covered in water, the researchers say it's possible that K2-18b's supposed ocean is too hot to be habitable or humid. In fact, a study published earlier this year suggests that the ocean may be lava. K2-18b is known as super-Earth because it's larger than our planet but smaller than Neptune. The large size of K2-18b, with a radius of 2.6 times that of our Earth, meaning the planet's interior likely contains a large high-pressure ice mantle like Neptune, but with a thinner atmosphere which is hydrogen and an ocean surface. Although this kind of planet does not exist in our solar system, sub-Neptunes is the most common type of planet known so far in the galaxy, said researcher Subhajit Sarkar of Cardiff University. He said, "We have obtained the most detailed spectrum of a sub-Neptune habitable zone to date, and this has allowed us to calculate the molecules present in its atmosphere." And this is on SOLASC. Amazing. So James Webb, I'm sure, is going to find out more details concerning this exoplanet. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.